Hi everyone, I'm Melissa. I'm a tester here at Kimberbell, and today I'm in the testing lab. Isn't it the best? Okay, so we're gonna be making a perfectly pieced block today for our community quilt. To make one quilt, we need 255 blocks. We need more, so if you guys could send them in, that would be amazing. Just looking over some of the blocks that we've made in-house. Look how cute they are with our Kimberbell fabric. So the one I'm kind of feeling right now is this with like that two-tone look. So we're just gonna come over with me and we're gonna find some cute fabrics. So this is where we keep all of our fabric scraps. I'm going to pick this really cute swirl. This is one of my favorite fabrics that we sell here at Kimberbell. We have it in all different colors. Next, we're gonna grab this super cute polka. And then lastly, I'm obsessed with these stripes. We're gonna grab our 3 fabrics. We already have the other 3 reds. We absolutely darling, and we're gonna get these cut. Alrighty, awesome. So we're gonna cut our fabric pieces. We're cutting them at 5 by 3.5, as well as 4 by 2.5. Alrighty, next we are going to hoop the stabilizer because we all need it. And little fun fact, if you want like the perfect cut for a 5 by 7 hoop, just cut this short stabilizer at 10 inches. It's the exact same size as our old pre-cuts, and it gets it perfect every single time. Okay, we have 1 down, so only like 254 more to go.